Hi friends, I'm AK Dhananjan. This workshop is very important and useful. I'm so proud to be celebrating that I will be telling my friends as this workshop is very useful for our future. So this is my favorite one because science and maths I like. Um, the teaching style is very good and I love this. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Adyan and today I was in Vidya Mandir School. I enjoyed the assembling of the robotics class. It was about a cardboard which is being programmed. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Nikita of grade 9. Today we had a robotics workshop. In that I have guided many students and we have explored many ideas and we made them to understand the concepts better. And I thank the school management for providing this golden opportunity for me. Thank you.
Good evening. This is Akhil Arasan from Android Robo. We are providing robotic education to the schools as a curriculum manner. Today's workshop, students' participation is really well. They have did their own robots and they have did assembly programming. Everything is done by the students itself. Hope they have enjoyed the session. And regarding the school management, they have put an excellent effort arranging this workshop to arrange this workshop today. I hope எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்குமே எல்லா கரிக்குலம் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் புக்ஸில் தாண்டி ஃபிசிக்ஸ் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி இந்த மாதிரி தாண்டி எல்லா எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கரிக்குலர் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸும் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு போய் ரீச் ஆகணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு த ஸ்கூல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் ஹஸ் புட் அ லாட் ஆஃப் எஃபர்ட் அரேஞ்சிங் திஸ் செஷன். ஹோப் இந்த செஷன் வந்து திரும்ப கண்டினியூ ஆகும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I hope students also enjoyed well. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Darshini. I'm working as assistant professor in Karur Arts College. My son has been doing his 5th grade in today we have did a workshop in robotic and artificial intelligence. It was very nice session. As far as here in Karur, we don't have such a workshop as done so far. I hope so. It was very nice, and also individually they taken the practical knowledge regarding this robotic and artificial intelligence. Thank you so much for this opportunities created by Vidya Mandir. Thank you.